Hey guys, this is Mau and in this video I will show you how to create a Google Analytics 4 account and how to connect your Analytics account with your technology. Okay, let's get started. We have to search uh, Google Analytics 4 and we have to open this link. Which link? This one. This is our tag manager. Just what do we have to do? We just have to do here get started where I am. No, not here. Let's see what it's saying. It's getting some select. No, not here. We have to go to analytics.google.com. That's it. So analytics account is already here and I have already some analytics account, so that's why it's showing. Just you have to click on admin here, then you have to create an account from here. Just click on plus button, click create an account. Okay, just you have to put the account name. Taras J4 account, then next, then property name Taras property. Then if you want you can change currency, time zone, currency and country. From here I'm just leaving it United States time zone and US dollar. Just you have to give some information, anything as you want, nothing special. Here you can select anything, just create. I accept. Then we have to choose a platform to connect with HTML. Okay, so just click on web. So it's asking for our website address. Just copy the URL and put it here. Just cut HTTPS here because already put it here. Stream name I'm just giving Taras and just create stream. Okay, so it's working and we have to copy this measurement ID because it will be needed for our technology setup. Okay, just close this, only this one, just copy from here and you have to just go to your tag manager, then click on add a new tag. Just click on here and you will get Google Analytics option from here. You have to just click on Google tag and then tag ID. Okay, you can put it here, or if you want you can create a constant variable from here. Just click on here and constant. Okay, you can also copy the measurement ID text also from doing fast. That's why I'm doing it. Measurement ID. Okay, measurement ID here and triggering. We are doing all page for the page 4. Okay, GA4 all page. Then just click on save. just now you can submit it from here to see how it's working. If you want to see it's working or not, just click on close it and next, then continue to home. Okay, so we will look on preview, and we will go from J4, yeah, admin data display. So not yes, from data display you will click on debug view. Okay, and here you will see data if J4 is connected with another property. Okay, you have to put the website URL here. Just let's copy the URL here, connect. Okay, it's, you can say it's connecting this window to tab 04. Okay, maybe it's connected already. Yes, it's connected perfectly. Let's see here data is coming or not. Let's do some action on here. It's called, maybe it will take some time to come here because sometimes it takes time. So yeah, you can see, check everything is working or not. Okay, okay, bye bye.